Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video on the Young Hustler YouTube channel. And in today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at the importance of PE ratios and what they are and how they relate to the stock market. So the PE ratio is something used by investors to gauge the true value of a stock and to see if it's at a fair price, it's overpriced, or it's underpriced. So the PE ratio is the ratio between the price of the stock and the company's earnings. The PE ratio could also be referred to as the earnings multiple or just multiple because it shows you how much more typically investors are willing to pay for each dollar earned by the company. The book Stock Investing for Dummies suggests that the PE should be 10 to 20 for large cap or income stocks, and for growth stocks, a PE should be no greater than 30 to 40. The next thing you must consider about PE ratios is the two types of ways to measure earnings per share, which is forward PE and then the trailing PE. The forward PE uses future guidance rather than past figures to project the earnings in the future. And this is why when you sometimes use forward PE, it is oftentimes referred to as estimated price to earnings. And it essentially provides a clearer picture of what the future may look like. Trailing PE, on the other hand, takes the current share price and divides it by earnings over the last 12 months. Individuals often view this method as the most objective because it uses actual figures to calculate the PE ratio. Additionally, some investors may look at the trailing PE ratio because they don't trust the estimated figures predicted by another individual. And finally, what does it mean when you see a negative or no PE ratio next to a stock? Usually, this lack of PE ratio typically indicates that a company reported a loss in the most recent 4 quarters. Anyways guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please leave a like down below if you'd like to see daily stock market related content and other business related content daily.